she'll have to find another seat.
Kellen.
Fill her up.
Kellen.
Good thing for Corolla.
Kellen.
NPG.
Ready to go night-night?
No.
Why?
Another reason you can always count on Corolla.
What?
From Toyota.
The TV.
You're watching TV. You've been watching TV. Ready to go night-night?
I was a TV.
You're watching TV.
Sexier comes along to replace you.
Oh, TV.
Don't you want to go lay down with your monkey?
No.
Why?
I was a TV.
You just want to watch TV. You can't watch TV all night.
I was a TV.
All night?
5 times more precise.
No.
Hey, what's a monkey do? What's a doggy do? What does a horse do? What's a horsey do? What's a piggy do? What does... Oh, what's a kitty cat do? What's a froggy do? Ribbit. What's a train do? What's Elmo do?
I'm a phone.
What's Cat in the Hat do?
Go, Abby,
Go on an adventure.
go back to.
Pretty song.
Go, happy, go, happy, go.
What's a doorbell do?
Choo say.
What's Choo Choo say? Hey, what about a cow? What's a cow do?
No.
What does Daddy do? How old are you?
Two.
How old's Mommy?
Two money.
Mommy's 2?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your name? What? What? Big Boy?
Yeah.
You know what's Big Boy's name?
Bye.
What's Mommy's name?
Winnie.
Brittany? What's Mommy's name?
A picture.
What?
Picture.
A picture? Am I taking a picture?
Yeah.
Smile, show your teeth. Pretty. Blow a kiss to the picture. Blow the picture a kiss.
No.
Aww. Say love you.
I want picture.
Say love you.
I want a cat picture.
Hey, what's Mommy's name?
Winnie.
Brittany, what's Daddy's name?
John.
John? Say, I love you.
Oh, I want a picture.
You want to watch the picture?
Yeah.
Okay.